Welcome back, friends. In this video, I will show you how to create a Gantt chart in Google Sheets to visualize the project process flow and timeline. In this Google spreadsheet, I have a details for project ABC. Based on this data, I will show you how to create the Gantt chart. First of all, calculate the days required for each task by using this formula. Put the starting date and ending date of project somewhere in the blank cells. Convert these dates to number format. Next, select the data range, click on Insert tab, then Chart. In Chart Editor box, change the chart type to Stacked Column Chart. Click on the X-axis values. Go to Chart Editor and scroll down. In the minimum and maximum values, put the number values for start date and end date. While putting the values, decrease minimum value by 5 and increase maximum value by 5. Adjustment of this 5 days is for creating the space to display start date and end date in the chart. Scroll down and in the number format, select date and time format. Let me select this date format and apply. Click on the start date series. Change the fill opacity to 0%. Scroll down and enable the Data Labels checkbox. Click on the Days Required series. Change the fill color if you wish. Scroll down and enable the Data Labels. Change the position to center. Click on the End Date series. Change fill opacity to 0%. Scroll down and enable Data Labels. Change Data Label position to Inside Base. To change the order of task names, click on the Y-axis values or the task names. Enable this reverse axis order option. Click at the blank area of chart. Go to Chart Style and change the background color. Go to Chart Axis and Title option, then set up the chart title. Change the title alignment to center. Close Chart Editor window and resize the chart. The Gantt chart is ready. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video tutorial.